a bad habit of missing lovers past. My brother used to call it eating out of the trash. It's never gonna last. I thought my house was home.